Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple Valentine's Day nail design. As you can see, I'm using hard gel, and I'm doing this because honestly I've been super busy lately with school, and gel is like way easier because it stays on for way longer. So I started off by applying, I actually did 2 coats of this pink hard gel with a gel base coat underneath, but I only recorded putting on the last layer of the pink gel in the top coat. So now that that's all cured, I'm taking this red polish and I'm using a dotting tool to do 2 dots for each of the hearts on each nail. By the way, my pinky nail looks a little different here because I actually buffed it to make the pink gel smoother. Next up, to complete the hearts, I'm taking a tiny detail brush and I'm going to do a triangle shape off of the 2 dots. So now to finish up the design, I'm taking this white polish and a dotting tool and I'm just adding a few dots on each nail. And now to finish off, I'm applying a gel top coat. Well, now that that's all done, the design is complete. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Bye!